So just for reference and excuse me, why I thought it was so odd that the ferry was basically facing me. This is how the ferry usually leaves this port, and the way that I've seen it leave dozens of times. And you'll see that at no point does it point at me with its nose. I'm not going to publish this video or anything, I'll just link it in the description of the other one if anybody wants to have a look. I really want to go on this ferry just because I want to stand up there like those people and watch it reverse out. So I've seen this from the sort of promenade end, and it literally reverses all the way out of the channel, all the way out past the breakwater, and then does a 180 in the open sea to get itself pointing the right way. It doesn't usually do it 3 feet away from the marina. And to be fair, just going astern like this is pretty impressive. Particularly because they don't hang around. Obviously they'll want to get way on, so the rudders are working for them, because there's no stern thruster. As far as I can tell, I don't see any little propeller signs on the side of the hull. Yeah, it's bloody cool. Sorry, I know I'm a nerd. Leave me alone. See that they've almost fully closed the bow now. I actually go and get a coffee every morning and come and sit and drink it in my car just so I can watch the ferry. Hey, if you're going to be a sailor, you've got to love boats, eh? It just seems so strange seeing such a huge ship go astern at, I mean, yeah, it's got to be in excess of walking pace. It's got to be 4 knots, that, I reckon. It'd be a brisk walk to keep up with it, I can tell you that much, so. And if you think I'm playing the video in reverse, no, the smoke would be going into the chimneys instead of out. I know they're not called chimneys. Yeah. Pretty bloody cool, isn't it?